Today we are discuss about the topic first aid in common medical emergencies presented by Cadet Jisia Joseph, NCC, St. Joseph College, Irnyalakuda, 7 Kerala Girls Battalion, Thrissur, Ernakulam Group, Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate. Injuries to internal organs. These injuries cannot be seen but can only be suspected where bleeding instead of coming to surface. Example, heart, lungs. Symptoms. First one is cold, clammy skin. Second, weak, ready, rapid pulse. Third, shallow slinging and breathing. Fourth, face pinched and pale. Fifth, eyes deeply sunken with dark rings around them. Sixth, patient usually restless and anxious. First aid treatment. First one, keep the patient warm and lie down with the feet raised up and head kept low. Apply cold application on the suspected injured region. Third, cheer up the patient. Fourth, arrange medical attention as soon as possible. Burns and scalds. Burns caused by heat, scalds caused by hot water or hot fluid. First aid treatment. First, protect burned area by bandage. Second, give complete rest. Third, reassure the patient. Fourth, give him morphia if available. Fifth, evacuate patient to the nearest hospital. Snake bite. Injected by snake through a pair of hollow. First aid treatment are given below. Rapid dog bite. By giving anti-rabies vaccine. First aid treatment. First, immediately wash with soap and water. Wound should be cleared with antiseptic. Third, patient should be sent to the hospital for an anti-rabies injection. Fourth, dog and patient should be kept under observation for at least 10 days. Foreign bodies in eye. Particles of coal or dust may be lodged on the eyeball or inside lid causing discomfort and damage to the tender structure. First aid treatment. First, ask the patient not to rub the eyes. Wash the eyes with water repeatedly for a few minutes. Third, patient should be face the light. If the foreign body is seen, it can be whipped off with the smooth corner of handkerchief or cloth. Fourth, if the foreign body is fixed to the eyeball, patient should be sent to the hospital with a light eye bandage. Foreign body in ear. This is common with children. They often put beads, peas, nuts and other objects into the ear. First aid treatment. Do not try to remove the foreign body with the help of a pin, as this may push the foreign body further in causing damage to the eardrum. The patient should be sent to the hospital. Foreign body in nose. This is a common occurrence among children. They might put peas, beads, etc. in the nostril. First aid treatment. First, blowing the nose and sneezing may expel the foreign body. Second, make the casualty breathe to the mouth. Third, do not try to remove the foreign body. Fourth, send the patient to the nearest hospital. Respiration. Natural and artificial, asphyxia and insensibility. The tissue and organs of the body are supplied with the oxygen through respiration, essential for the functioning of body. Respiration consists of inspiration, expiration and a pause. Artificial respiration. If there is any irregularity in breathing or cardiac arrest, artificial respiration is given. If it is given correctly and in time, the patient's life can be saved. Types of artificial respiration. There are 3 types of artificial respiration. First one is Holger-Nielsen method. Second one is Sharaf's method. Third one is mouth-to-mouth breathing. In this picture, we discussed about first aid treatment for artificial respiration. Asphyxia. Anything which interferes with the respiration producing irregularities in breathing produce a condition known as asphyxia. Causes. First, drowning. Second, hanging and strangulation. Third, suffocation. Fourth, overdose of drugs. Fifth, electric shock. Sixth, diseases. Sign and symptoms. First one is dizziness and weakness. Second, shortness of breath, rate of breathing increased. Third, rapid pulse. Fourth, partial loss of consciousness. Fifth, swelling of the veins of the neck. Sixth, face, lips, nails, fingers, and turned blue. General rules for treatment of asphyxia. Remove the cause if possible. Ensure that there is a free passage for air. Give mouth-to-mouth breathing. Here we are discuss about first aid treatment for some special cases. First one is drowning. Second one is strangulation. Third one is choking. Fourth one is suffocation by poisonous gas and electric shock. Insensibility or unconsciousness. It is due to interruption of the action of brain through some interference with the function of the central nervous system. There are 4 stages in unconsciousness. Causes of unconsciousness of coma: head injury, hemorrhage from brain, heart failure, diabetic coma, hepatic coma, uremic coma, excessive narcotics, intracranial or brain infections, physical agents such as heat stroke, electric shock, epilepsy, hysteria. General rules of first aid in casualties of unconsciousness. Make the patient lie down with the head turned to one side. Pull out his tongue. Loosen the clothing. Ensure fresh air. If breathing has stopped or is irregular, start artificial respiration. Keep the air passage clear. Nothing should be given by mouth. Remove false teeth if any. Thank you.